welcome to channel. My name is Val. I'm going to show you some watches that I bought in Japan on their auction. So I'm opening this now and we'll take a look what is inside. And looks like a very nice watch here. Yeah, this is very nice watch. This is 7019 6030 Seiko 5, and this is sports 70 meters water resistant. Very nice watch. Does it run? It runs. Very good. Looks like everything works, and it probably needs some cleaning and servicing. Very nice. Okay, let's see what's next. And this is another one. The same type, the same model. Yeah, they look the same. Very nice. This has a bracelet and that had a band. Very nice. Yeah, this is the same, absolutely the same model. 7019 6-6030. How about this? It also runs. Nice. Very good. You know, I bought several watches recently from Japan, so I don't remember exactly what models I bought, and I am discovering it right now. This is nice faceted crystal. Yeah, this is Seiko again 7019-7210. This is the same kind of watch, but it's not sport edition. It's It's saying Seiko 5 Actos. Seiko 5 Actos. Nice bracelet. Wow. Good looking watch. Okay. This is Seiko 5. Nice bracelet. And the model is 6119-8020. Wow. Very nice case. I like this shape. Yeah. And time markers are very interesting with blue insides. Okay. Two more. Nice bag, zip. This is Seiko 6619-7990 or 50, and it has dolphin. It has dolphin on the case back. Yeah, crystal is shattered, but we can replace it. And this is the waterproof Sportsmatic, and they run. Nice watch. And the last one, this is very strange strap. What is this? Very interesting strap. Wow. 3 buckles. But watch is good. Watch is very good. Crystal is cracked. And also faced. What is the model? Okay, I broke the band. Like I twisted it and it broke. But it's okay. We don't need this band anyway. It's not Seiko band, I think. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.